Imagine a penguin that doesn't need ice. One that waddles through blazing sun, braves rocky beaches, and calls the southern edge of Africa home. Meet the African penguin, nature's proof that tuxedos aren't reserved for snow. These birds, sometimes called jackass penguins because of their donkey-like bray, are the only penguin species that breeds on the African continent. They inhabit the coastlines of South Africa and Namibia, nesting in sandy burrows, under bushes, and sometimes in the shade of seaside boulders. Their average lifespan in the wild is around 10 to 15 years, though many fall victim to oil spills, overfishing, and predators, which makes every year they survive remarkable. Their black and white plumage isn't just fashionable, it's armor. Above, the dark back blends with the ocean depths, while below, the bright belly disappears into the glare of the surface. This built-in camouflage is what keeps them off the menu for great white sharks and Cape Fur seals. Unlike their Antarctic cousins, these penguins are heat-stressed more than frostbitten. They deal with the African sun using bare pink patches above their eyes. These patches aren't decorative. They act like thermal regulators, flushing blood to cool the bird down. The hotter the penguin gets, the deeper the pink turns, a living mood ring powered by temperature. African penguins are also devoted parents. Both mother and father take turns incubating the eggs and then feeding the chicks. Meals come in the form of sardines and anchovies. But the real trick is how they deliver it. Pre-digested fish, straight from the parent's stomach. Not glamorous, but effective. And then there's their voice. Loud, braying calls roll across the colonies, sounding like a barnyard misplaced on the beach. These calls aren't random noise. Each penguin has a unique vocal signature that helps them reunite with their mate or chick in a sea of nearly identical black and white suits. So here we have them. Desert sun penguins with blood-cooled brows, ocean camouflage, and a soundtrack better suited to a farmyard. A bird born for contrast. A reminder that survival often depends not on being the strongest, but on being the strangest. Because sometimes the world doesn't need another polar penguin. It needs one that brays like a donkey, thrives under an African sky, and still manages to look effortlessly overdressed.
Like and subscribe to discover more animal marvels.